Hello, we're on Module 4 of our first week. And in this module, we're going to look at what we call the soft skills, or actually what we prefer to call the power skills, and how we use communication to build a team, to vision what our project or program is going to achieve, and to help us create understanding and acceptance of our program or project product by our stakeholders, customers, and our senior sponsors.
So in week 1, we were talking about defining communications, and with module 4, we're going to talk about program and project management communication, visioning, and building a team. Now last week we talked about the schedule and scope and time and quality, which were considered kind of the hard concepts of program and project management. This week we're going to talk about what's considered the soft skills of program and project management, but I want you to think about them as power skills. Probably the most important thing a program or project manager can do is communicate a vision. I love to use the historical example of the Apollo program, which had a pretty straightforward vision. When John F. Kennedy said that the U.S. should commit itself to achieving the goal, before this decade is out, of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to the Earth, it was a straightforward goal that easily envisioned what done looked like. Now, achieving done was complex, took a lot of work, and the United States was still able to achieve its goal with 6 months remaining. Last week, we talked about the hard skills of program and project management: time, cost, quality, and scope. This week, we're going to talk about what people consider the soft skills, but I like to call them the power skills. And the reason they're so powerful is because we take a different approach to our programs and projects. Instead of starting with the outside and the conventional path of what we're going to do, how we're going to do it, and then figure out why we're going to do this, we start with the why are we doing this program or project, how will we do this program and project, and what will it achieve. When you do it the inside out, as the power skills imply, you're going to receive remarkable results. And inherent in this, with the power skills, is increased understanding. And this is where the emergence model of communication is so vital. Because we're not just transferring information from parties, we're helping our parties emerge meaning and understand why we're doing this program or project, and how that program or project will affect us and what impact it will have. So as a program and project manager, you're going to be doing a lot of communication skills outside of the hard skills. Alignment, coaching, mentoring, negotiating, and storytelling. And we'll have different modules throughout this program that talks about each of these pieces. In fact, in one set of modules, it's going to be vital because you, as a program or project manager, are the information hub of your program or project, and knowing how to build good information networks where information is transmitted accurately and throughout the project or program to everyone is vital. We're also going to talk about how to create understanding through the emergent model of communication, our coordinated management of meeting model, so that folks not only understand the information you're transmitting to them, but understand the why behind what you're doing with that program or project. So our journey ahead in this program, we're going to take a look at both the communication models, and they're both vitally important. I know I've talked a lot about the emergence model of communication, but we don't want to leave out the Shannon-Weaver model of communication. In fact, in one set of modules, it's going to be vital because you, as a program or project manager, are the information hub of your program or project, and knowing how to build good information networks where information is transmitted accurately and throughout the project or program to everyone is vital. We're also going to talk about how to create understanding through the emergent model of communication, our coordinated management of meeting model, so that folks not only understand the information you're transmitting to them, but understand the why behind what you're doing with that program or project.
Hey there, did you enjoy that lesson as much as I did? If you did, go ahead and give us a like. If you want to see another one, go ahead and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, put them below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Moreover, is there somebody in your life who really needs this lesson right now? If so, go ahead and share it with them. I'm sure they'll appreciate it. Now, we look forward to seeing you in the next lesson where you can learn even more from the University of Maryland Project Management Center for Excellence. Thanks so much.